So today's video, I've got a really tasty coconut lentil dal. I make this at least maybe once a week or so at home at the moment, so it's really comforting and it's great to use up any leftover veg that you've got in the fridge. So as you can see, I've just got like ginger, onions, garlic, tin of coconut milk, some spices, potatoes or sweet potato, carrots, peppers, anything you've got lying left over, greens like kale or spinach is a good one to add in. Even if you've got frozen spinach is great to add in, and some fresh coriander as well. So it's kind of a leftover put together in a pot kind of dish. It's really good to make and to eat. So start off with a coconut oil. So put some coconut oil into a deep saucepan, and then you kind of want to just fry off all your garlic, ginger and onions first. So I do that on like a medium heat, and I find that I use coconut oil because it just gives it a nice flavour, especially when you're adding coconut milk to it later on as well. It kind of enhances that flavour. So and it's super healthy for you. So just add in your spices after your onions have softened. So I've got cumin, turmeric and fennel seeds in the mix today. So fennel is quite a nice flavour to add, a bit aniseedy to add into a dal. Not exactly, normally I don't use fennel, but you can add cumin, coriander and turmeric are the spices that I use regularly. So add in any fresh herbs. So I've got fresh coriander that kind of goes in there. If you've got any time like lying around in the garden or on your pots on your windowsill, add some of that in there as well, gives it a really nice flavour. So I've kind of put in sweet potatoes. I had loads of sweet potatoes delivered from Apple and Cole on the weekend, and so really good, super healthy for you, and it's a great way to use it up. So I've put sweet potato in there, and if you've got potatoes, add that in as well. So we've added in some red lentils. So I have like a bag of this in the larder that I'm grateful for, because I just, it's really quick to make this dish or make some dal. So knowing that, okay, if there's nothing else, I can make some dal, add some like chickpeas, even pulses to it, or fine, that's fine. So I added split peas, and they take about 20 minutes to cook, so they're kind of quick to do. So I add in a coconut milk to that to give it like a nice coconutty flavour. It's quite sweet. If you don't like it that sweet, you can just add a bit of water in there, that's fine. But I think try the coconut milk because it's really lovely and creamy. It's almost having like a vegetable coconut curry, without the meat. So it's really, really like indulgent in flavour. So I've added my coconut milk and mixed it all in, and then when that's been cooking down for a bit, I add in my kale and spinach. So any kind of spring greens that you've got lying around, just add that in, and this kind of cooks the last 5 minutes or so towards the end of the cooking, because you don't want to overcook it, otherwise it'll lose all its nutrients. So as you can see, it's just cooked down within like a couple of minutes. It's super tasty. Everything is kind of mingled in together. Potatoes are cooked, carrots are cooked. It is tasty with rice. You can add like pillau rice or any other type of rice, that's fine. Really delicious. Can serve it with rotis as well, so give it a go.